Ayan guys, namimigay pa rin si BXN ng 100. So equivalent niya as of the moment 0.02, so $2. And take note guys, don't forget to join my road to 10,000 subscribers here in my YouTube channel and of course sa aking Facebook page as well. Marami akong exciting, more upcoming prizes. And huwag natin patagalin pa. Pag-usapan na natin ito in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go guys!
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side. PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Madge and for today's video, meron ako sa inyong bago i-share na another airdrop guys. So namimigay pa rin sila until now. So kung di ka pa nakakuha ng BXN, still nagbibigay pa sila until now. So free 100 BXN, basta ilagay nyo yung code. So ilalagay ko lang sa description box down below. Although nasa 3.3 siya dahil bago pa lang to, it is a crypto wallet or exchange. Ito si Black Fort Wallet guys. So para siya sila Binance, ganyan. So meron siyang airdrop na pinamimigay. So 100 free BXN airdrop yung binibigay nila. So BXN Black Fort Wallet siya and exchange. So kailangan nyo lang is once nilagay nyo yung referral ID or yung code para makuha kayo ng 100, kailangan nyo ilagay yung first name nyo, last name, your email address, and of course, kung saan kayo. And then, kung pwedeng mas okay, kung may biometric login kayo para mas okay. So, once na, tapos nga, nasend nyo na. So, input your password, and then confirm password, and check the I understand, and then click next. And then, after that, kailangan nyo rin dito i-take note your the seed phrase. And then of course, before that, kailangan nyo rin i-confirm muna sa inyong email address na gumagawa kayo ng account here kay Black Fort. So, just click, lalampot na lang kayo sa inyong email, just click confirm guys, and then mako-confirm na siya. So, mag-automatic naman yan guys here. So, nakapag-release na sila ng first wave of airdrop na 100 BXN. Ang value pala niya, actually hindi pa siya na-list for the moment sa ibang mga other exchanges, but nasa 0.02 siya. So yung 100 BXN na pinamigay nila nasa $2 or worth of 100 plus pesos. So anyway, so after that, once na confirm nyo na, kailangan nyo ilagay yung inyong seed phrase. Mas maganda kung meron kayong hard copy or soft copy. So, pwede nyo naman siya i-screenshot dahil nasa mobile phone nyo naman siya ilalagay dahil app na sa application to. So, after that, once na nakuha nyo na i-input nyo yung 12 words na seed phrase nyo here. And then, after that, yan pa nag-success na, pwede nyo na ma-open yung wallet guys. So, mas maganda, merong i-take note nyo ha, again, your seed phrase para hindi kayo once na ililipat nyo siya is kadalasan seed phrase. So ayan guys, as of the moment, dahil bago pa lang to, hindi pa natin nakuha yung ito, nagbibigay pa rin naman sila until now ng 100 BXN. So kung di kayo wala pa kayo na ito, just sign up, just input the code na ilalagay ko sa description box down below para makuha nyo yung 100. So hindi pa naman kagad magre-reflect sa inyong account guys ha. And take note, marami ako nakita na bakit nabawasan yung kanilang mga kaya referral, ganyan, yung rewards nila due to kahit kuya marami kayong multiple of mobile phones pero same IP address, bawal yun guys. So take note guys, huwag kayong multiple accounts. Kahit maggawa kayo sa multiple app account, multiple yung app na account yon, bawal din yun guys. Marami akong nakita na ganun nga yung nangyayari. Kaya make sure kung different device yung gagamitin nyo, dapat different IP address, different email na nakalagay sa inyong Play Store, lahat yun iba. Okay? So, habol na kaya guys, habang hindi pa siya na-list, kasi once na-listed siya, ang ano nila is nasa 0.3. So, equivalent niya kung meron kayong 100, meron kayong $30 or worth of 1,500. As of the moment, nasa 100 pala siya. Kaya, huwag yung munang i-sell or something pag nasa wallet nyo na. So, until next time guys, goodbye!